everyone. Welcome to GreenAds Global's official YouTube page. Now that we have completed how to use the template option, if you have not watched that video, you can click on the top right-hand corner of the screen. Let's now see how to use the standard broadcasting option on the Telinfy website. Click on Broadcast. Select Ad Campaign. Give your campaign a unique name for better identification. Choose a platform you wish to use. Select the campaign type to be standard. Select the approved template you have made. Make sure that the template you have selected is approved. Click on Use Template. Before clicking on that dotted box that says, click here to upload the file, click on Download Template File for upload. Go to your Downloads folder and open that file in Excel. Under the mobile number section, type in the numbers and the country code accordingly. Save the edits. Go back to the web page. Now click on the Click here to upload the file option. Upload that Excel sheet. Make sure those phone numbers are valid. Click on Next. Click here to upload the image. Then select which image you want to upload along with your body so it will come together. Make sure the JPEG and PNG file size is under 5 megabytes. If you have a template approved with video or PDF, then using this option you can upload the corresponding multimedia. Then scroll down. Under the footer section, there are two options called Schedule Now and Schedule Later. If you want to schedule it for a later time, click on Schedule Later. Choose the date and time according to your desires. If you choose to schedule it now, then you can click on the Schedule Now option. And then, right before clicking on Send Campaign, make sure you have put in all the details and the preview right above the Send Campaign button is correct. Now that you have confirmed it, click on Send Campaign. Congratulations, you have successfully created a campaign using the Telinfy platform. To get the details/updates on your campaign, click on the said campaign. On the right side of the screen, a message status will appear. Click on Refresh to update it to show the current status. Then click on Refresh on the right of the Add Campaign box. Please wait as the campaign you have just created is being tested to completion. It has now been completed. Now you can see all the details have been updated.